ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground.
The Luma Comfort IM200SS portable ice maker is the ultimate luxury entertaining necessity. It creates beautiful crystal clear ice just like you'd find in your favorite bar or restaurant. Ordinary ice is made by water being cooled all at once, either in a sealed environment or by cooled components touching the water. Both of these cause oxidation, resulting in cloudiness. Taking their inspiration from nature, the Luma design team created a system based on how icicles are formed. A waterfall continuously flows over a supercooled honeycomb, freezing layer by layer. When the ice is built up, the honeycomb switches from cold to warm, causing the ice to drop into the bin completely intact. Other ice makers produce cloudy or oddly shaped ice. The IM200SS can produce 28 pounds of ice in a day, and the clear ice actually melts at a rate 5 times slower than cloudy ice. The simple plug-and-play setup lets you get started right away, and there's no plumbing required. Just pour water in. The IM200SS includes a scoop and a removable bin for large quantities. The LED push-button controls makes it easy enough for anyone to use. Its stainless steel finish and elegant, top-notch design makes it at home in any space. From entertaining to cocktail parties or the big game day, whatever the occasion, the Luma Comfort IM200SS is an essential part of the home.